What's something people don't know about downloading old Facebook versions? It's possible, but it takes a little know-how and a little caution. Here's how to do it safely. First, for Android users, uninstall your current Facebook app in your phone's settings. Next, go to your security settings and allow installation from unknown sources. Head to a trustworthy site like APK Mirror or UpToDown, search for Facebook, and pick an older version that matches your phone. Open your Downloads folder, and install the APK. Don't forget to turn off auto updates in the Play Store, or it'll upgrade itself right back. For iOS users, it's trickier. If you've downloaded Facebook before with your Apple ID, open the App Store, tap your profile, then Purchased, and find Facebook. If prompted, download an older version. Remember, old apps have more bugs and fewer security protections. Back up your data, and if in doubt, stick to the Facebook Lite app or the mobile website for safer, official alternatives. Quick recap. Old Facebook? Possible, but play it safe.